Welcome to iClicknPrint. This demo will show you how to print 2-up invitations, fold-over invitations or panel cards, and 5.5 by 8.5 size invitations. To start, click on the Invitations category. Select a background for your invitations. We're going to start by making 2-up invitations. At any time, you can use the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons at the top of the screen to get a better view of your page. Use the horizontal and vertical buttons at the top of the screen to change the orientation of your page. Each page of 2-up invitations will contain 2 invitations side by side. In this case, the bold line in the middle of your page will represent the perforation line where you will tear them apart. To begin your invitations, you can create a text box using the text box icon at the top of the screen, or you can select some pre-made suggested wording. In this example, we're going to make some invitations for a Thanksgiving party. The wording will appear on one side of your invitations. Highlight any text in a text box which you wish to change. You can change the size of your text using the right-hand menu. To change the font of your text, you can select individual fonts or check off the Hover Over Font box. This will let you mouse over different fonts and see which one works best for your invitations. Similarly, you can check off the Hover Over Color box to change the color of your text. When you are satisfied with the font style for your text, customize your invitations with your own information. Use the alignment buttons in the right-hand menu to align your text to the right, left, or center. You can freely adjust the position of any item on your screen by simply clicking on it and dragging it. When you are happy with the design for your invitations, use the copy and paste icons at the top of the screen to copy your design into your second invitation. You can add more details if you wish to customize your invitations further. Use the text box icon to add more text. Feel free to embellish your invitations using shapes and lines or clip art. iClicknPrint features a wide variety of free clip art sorted by holiday and by theme. If you want, you can always replace the default clip art that came with your suggested wording. Now, our Thanksgiving invitations are complete. Always be sure to print out a test page before you print out your actual invitations. Set your page orientation to landscape when you print. Next, we'll demonstrate how to make fold-over panel cards. You can do this using the same 8.5 by 11 template that we used to make the 2-up invitations. As you can see, we've deleted the left side of our template. Picture the template as if you were looking at an opened greeting card. Write the inside message for your panel card or invitation on the right side of the template. When you are ready, save this template using the Save button in the top left corner of the screen. Be sure to distinguish this template as the inside for your panel cards. Now, open a new template using the New button in the top right corner of the screen. Select the same 2-up invitations template as we used earlier. You will design the reverse side of your cards on this new template. If your invitations or panel cards already have a reverse side, then you do not need to complete this step. Again, you will design the cover of your cards on the right side of the template. Use text, clip art, shapes and lines, and any other elements you want to create your cover. There are many festive headers in the clip art section. It may help to zoom the view out to get a clear view of your card's proportions. Now, we're finished with our panel cards. If you want, you can also add some design on the back side of your card. When you save, be sure to distinguish this template as the outside for your invitations. When you're ready, click the print icon in the top right corner of the screen. We need to set the printer preferences so that the document prints out correctly. For panel cards, make sure that the orientation is landscape. As we mentioned earlier, the same goes for printing 2-up invitations. Finally, make sure that you have the correct printer selected in your printer list. Print out as many covers for your panel cards as you need. Next, click on File in the top left corner of the screen to open your inside template. Look over this template, and when you're ready, click Print again in the top right corner of the screen. In Preferences, make sure that the orientation is set to landscape. You will need to load the first pages you printed for your panel cards back into your printer. Be sure to print one or more test pages first, so you can determine how to print your complete card correctly. In this final example, we will work on single 5.5 by 8.5 invitations. In this case, we will design a wedding invitation. In iClicknPrint, you'll have a variety of elegant fonts and wedding-themed clip art to choose from. Use any of the design features we've demonstrated to create your invitations. When you've completed your invitation design, click on the print icon. The only difference in printing 5.5 by 8.5 size invitations is that the orientation must be portrait. Refer to your printer's instruction manual to adjust your printer to fit this size paper. As always, print out a test page of your invitations before printing out the final version. Thanks for using iClicknPrint. We hope you enjoyed using the program. Please contact our customer service team if there's anything you need assistance with.